Hello and welcome to CBSE Fatafat by Ved Academy. This is CBSE Standard 10th Mathematics Complete Solution Series. Here we not only solve the exercise questions but we understand the concept and the core properties of the lesson. The lesson is real numbers. It is the introductory part of the lesson and today's topic is Euclid's division algorithm. We'll understand the concept and we'll take one example for application of Euclid's division algorithm. So first we will understand what the Euclid's division algorithm is. Euclid's division algorithm is a step-by-step method to find HCF of two numbers and it is based on the Euclid's division lemma. That means we'll be using Euclid's division lemma in a step-by-step method so that we can find the HCF of given two numbers. We'll be applying Euclid's division lemma at each step so that we can come to the finding of HCF of the given two numbers. So what are the steps that we need to follow? First, we'll compare the given two numbers. By comparing the given two numbers, we can find the larger number so that we can divide the larger number by the smaller number. This is the first step. Then in the second step we replace the divisor with the remainder and we'll repeat this process until the remainder becomes 0. Once we get the remainder as 0, then the last non-zero remainder is HCF. Remember, last non-zero remainder is HCF. Now let us take the example. Question is find the HCF of numbers 1350 and 420. So we will first compare the numbers. 1350 is greater than 420. So we will start dividing 1350 with 420 and once first step is completed and if we are not getting 0 as the remainder, then we will continue the division. In the second step we will replace the divisor with the remainder. That means the remainder of the first step becomes the divisor of the second step and we'll keep on repeating until we get the remainder 0. So let us start dividing. The dividend here is 1350, which is a greater number, and the divisor is 420, which is a smaller number. So 420 threes are 1260. Subtract and we get 90 as the remainder. As our remainder is not 0, we'll keep on dividing. Now the remainder becomes the divisor and the divisor of the first step becomes the dividend. So 420 in the place of dividend. 9 fours are 360, that is 90 fours are 360. Subtract 60 will be the remainder. As 60 is a non-zero number, that means our remainder is not 0. We'll keep on repeating the division. Now 60, which is the remainder, will become a divisor and the divisor of the previous step, that is 90, will become here dividend. 60 ones are 60. The remainder here is 30. Now 30 is a non-zero remainder, so it becomes the divisor and the divisor of the previous step, that is 60, will become the dividend. So here 32s are 60. Subtract, we are getting 0 as the remainder. As we are getting 0 as the remainder, now we'll stop the process. Next step is to find the non-zero remainder, which is the last non-zero remainder. The last non-zero remainder is 30. So 30, which is the last non-zero remainder, is HCF, is equal to HCF. Therefore, HCF of 1350 and 420 is 30. This is how we have used lemma, that is Euclid's division lemma, at each step until we get the remainder 0. The step at which we are getting remainder as 0, the divisor of that step, or as mentioned here, that is the last non-zero remainder, is HCF. Therefore, the HCF of given two numbers 1350 and 420 is 30.